Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, we're looking at biology. Biology is the scientific study of life and living organisms. Another branch of biology is botany, study of plants, zoology, study of animals, microbiology, study of microorganisms. And the human body consists of 206 bones in adults, while babies have up to 400 bones. And today we'll be looking at cell. And what is cell? Cell, it is the smallest indivisible unit that can live on its own. They are made up of three components: the cell wall or membrane, the cytoplasm, and the nucleus. Then we have types of cell. We have the prokaryotic cell. They are the most primitive single-celled organism on earth. Some prokaryotic cells are photosynthetic, that is, they attract sunlight, while many are extempophiles. They don't have organelles such as through nucleus. The DNA in the nucleus is usually found in a coiled region in the cytoplasm called nucleus. There is a DNA in the nucleus, and it is found in a coiled region which in this cytoplasm, which is called the nucleus. Take note, don't confuse yourself on that. The DNA in the nucleus is usually found in a coiled region in the cytoplasm called the nucleus. Then the most common bacteria shapes are spherical, rod shape, and spiral. About the eukaryotic cell, they contain an organized nucleus and organelles which are enveloped by a membrane. See, they contain an organized nucleus and organelles which are enveloped by membrane. Key things you need to know about some key things in cell, which is the cytoplasmic membrane. This a selective permeable membrane that separates the inside of a cell from the outside. That is, it separates the inside of a cell from the outside. For example, let's use a bag. Let's use a page. The art, for example, this book, the art cover, this is the outside. This one separates the inside from the outside. That's a good example of that. Talk about active transport. Active transport occurs against the concentration gradient. It requires energy, needs carrier protein. Then what is passive transport? That is, passive transport occurs only along the concentration gradient. It doesn't require energy nor carrier. Then cell wall, a non-living rigid structure outside the plasma membrane. The cell wall is made up of cellulose, hemicellulose, protein, and pectin in plants, while it's made up of cellulose, gelatin, and mannose. It is divided into three primary walls, that is the middle,